Question is, how many times name of Prophet Muhammad mentioned in Quran? Answer is, Muhammad is mentioned 4 times in Holy Quran. Question is, where is the Surah Yasin in the Holy Quran? Answer is in para number 22 and in 23. Question is, what is the meaning of Alam Nashrah? Answer is expansion. Question is, how many ayat are there in Surah Al-Baqarah? Answer is 286 ayat. Question is, gap between first wahi and second wahi was? Answer is 6 months. Question is, which prophet was taught the most works? Answer is Hazrat Adam, peace be upon him. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you. Like the video, comment and share with others. Thanks once again.